welcome to my channel, The Hungry Bazaar, which is an online shopping channel. And today I came to visit one outlet called Mangaldeep. He is an exclusive manufacturer for men's shirt. Brand name is Zolfo Spring, and for kids also. Kids brand name is Zotman. Total wholesale outlet. This comes in a street called Sultanpet, which comes in Bengaluru, India. It comes in a complex called Golden Tower, in ground floor, second floor, and third floor. So I'm just showing you the landmark. I'm standing in Chickpet metro station. Right in front of me there is Chickpet metro station. This Chickpet metro station. So when you come here, just go like this little bit further. So you can just check. This is a complex Metro Plaza. Right opposite to this, there is a street like this. Two-wheeler parks is written. You have to just get inside this street like this. So when you come here, you have to take left like this. Just go a little bit inside like this. And then take right like this. When you come little bit further, you can just check this at complex Golden Tower. And here his outlet name is Mangaldeep's ground floor, second floor and third floor. So this is outlet, you can just have a look. Superb outlet, men's manufacture of shirt. Zotman and Zolfo Spring, these two brands are there. Minimum 10,000 online, no single piece, no retail. When you come to his outlet, set wise you will have to buy, but no single piece, no retail. Just check the collections of the shirt. Superb collection, very high quality shirts you will get here. Number is on video screen. Any more detail, you WhatsApp, video call or call them. They'll send you all the detail. 100 piece, 500 piece, 1000 piece, readily available. Again I'm telling you, minimum 10,000, no single piece, no retail. From here I'm going to go to second floor and third floor and just have a look at the collection. Amazing collection, and some of the stocks has been sold out because there is huge demand for his shirts and all. That's the reason new samples are going to come very quickly. You will get court shirts also for men's, for kids. Lot of varieties are there in shirts, printed shirts, plain shirts, designer shirts, check shirts, digital print, all types of shirts you'll get here. This is one more floor, third floor, and just check what are collections of shirts. Superb collection. This is a sampling room, and just see the packing will come like this, set wise, standard packing like this is going to come. And right now I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Vimal. Hi Vimal, welcome to my show. Vimal, tell me something about your studio, what and all you get over here.
Hi all viewers.
Okay.
Yeah, my name is Vimal Rajpurohit. You get all kinds of shirts, cord sets and jackets, denim jackets, cotton jackets. We are the exclusive manufacturers of our two own labels, Zolfo Spring and Zotman.
And you get men's and kids shirt here.
Men's and kids shirts.
Okay.
You will also get jackets.
Okay.
Plus cord sets.
And how many years over for you in this business?
We've been in this business for over 20 years now.
And where and all your product goes, like in India and outside?
So regionally we cover most of South India.
Okay.
And we also do exports to all the Middle East countries and East African regions for now.
And right now I'm going to show you some sample of the shirts. So in shirts, what is the only starting price? Can you tell starting
Our
price?
starting range is 165.
165, and it can go till 400, 500 and 600 also in future. This is just starting price. Can you show some sample?
So this is a denim jacket.
Fantastic.
Lycra.
What size to what size we'll get?
You'll get ML XL in this.
Okay. And how many
Medium.
colors we'll get?
About 10 colors.
Alright. And next?
This one. Next, we've made this.
Okay.
Moclino checks.
Superb. In shirt, what size to what size we'll get?
ML XL, double XL.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how many varieties of shirts you're having right now? Total collection?
We have about 400 samples
Wow.
as of now.
400 sample. Okay. Cool. Next?
Next, this is our popcorn.
Very nice.
You get about 40 designs in this. These are rayon shirts for summer.
Half shirts.
Yeah, about 40 designs we have in stock.
And you customize also. You'll take the orders. You said me, no?
Yeah,
Job work.
that we do for B2B sellers only.
Yeah, can you tell what is that exactly?
Actually, if someone who's doing re-wholesaling or he's an exporter in some other country, we make it in their own private label as well.
Okay,
But
you will
they
manufacture.
have to adhere to the minimum order quantity as well.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So they do job work also. If you want that also they can do.
This is a cotton jacket.
Very nice.
Back print.
Lovely.
25 colors in that. See, quality, I'm not supposed to say what quality is ours. Our customers speak for itself, right?
Okay. And this very popular brand, Zolfo Spring.
Oxford checks, you get these 365 days at our shop.
Nice. Very nice.
Many designs in this one.
And your collection keeps getting updated in how many days?
Yeah, see, you can just show the viewers. We don't have stock as well.
Yeah, most of the stock I'm telling you know it's got sold out. So still you have a lot of time. New stock is going to come. These are the present
Whatever
stocks.
is down is to be packed. It will
Lovely.
be
This all
dispatched
is
today.
already customers' orders and all.
These type of shirts in imported fabric.
Superb, nice, very
This is
nice
called
shirts.
puff fabric.
Very nice. So cotton, linen, popcorn, all types of
We
fabric.
do
you get.
exclusive designs as well. Yes,
Lovely.
you can check here.
Superb.
Let me
Party
show
wear.
Yeah.
Nice. Very cool. So in this, how many colors will get?
You have 12 colors in each of these designs.
12 colors you'll get. And what is the timing of your outlet?
From morning 9 to evening 8, Monday to Saturday. Sunday is about 10 to 2.
All right. Right now I'm going to show you more sample of the shirt. So here, what you're going to show?
So this is the teddy design,
Nice.
which is very trending right now.
Cool. How many colors will get in that?
You have about 12 colors in that.
Okay.
This is a RFD
Lovely.
double pocket shirt.
Colors? 12.
12 colors.
Okay.
This is a popcorn down shoulder shirt,
Very nice.
which
Yeah,
is
this
very
is
trending right now.
superb.
Drop shoulders.
This is which fabric?
Popcorn
Popcorn fabric. Yeah. Denim.
Denim double pocket shirts.
Okay.
365 days it's available with us.
So people who are connected with you in WhatsApp, they get regular links.
Sure.
Lovely.
You
Yeah.
can join our WhatsApp group. We'll
Okay.
send updates all day. This
Nice.
is our popcorn plain shirts.
Superb. So if you're in business, you're in existing business, you want to start business of shirts for men's or kids, you can come here.
Double pocket twill shirts.
Superb collections of shirts for wholesale price you're getting minimum 10k online. When you come here set wise, no single piece, no retail.
Have about 40 plus designs in all these samples which I showed you right now.
Okay.
As you can check, whatever is on the floor,
Okay.
it's going to be dispatched in a day or two.
Customers orders.
Yeah, all is order based only.
You get tremendous order, yeah, daily.
Yeah.
Like just see, this all is customers
Check
order.
over here. We do check it twice before we send it to the customer.
Okay.
As you can see, we are repacking all the stuff.
Nice. But just check the quality of the shirts.
Only the best shirts go to our customers.
All is a customer's order. You can just see like this daily. Lot of parcel comes and goes to different parts of India. Export also. Here, what you are going to show, Vimal?
This is our studio.
Okay, where all the samples are there.
Yeah, we've got all our samples over here.
Okay, wow, superb. Like all the collections for kids and men.
Yeah, this is in ready stock, available as of now.
Okay.
Designs keep changing every now and then.
Okay. And so right now I'm going to show you some kids shirts. So in kids, what and all you will get over here?
Kid, you'll get all kinds of shirts,
Okay.
cord sets, jackets.
Okay. In shirts, what is the starting price? The starting price?
Shirts, it's 165.
Okay.
See, starting prices keep changing upon the trend of the season.
100%.
Right? But what we are looking for is to build trust with our customers.
What age to what age you will get for kids?
For kids, it's from 2 years to 16 years
Okay.
basically. Yeah.
Cool. And would you like to show
These
some
are some kids. Designs.
superb shirt? Yeah,
Digital
this is-
print.
Wow. Lovely shirt. This is
This is another kid shirts.
very nice. Quality is superb. No
Yeah.
doubt.
Fancy works in plain.
Very nice
This
shirts.
is for kids with back print.
Very nice. Cool.
This is another kids pattern.
Nice. What and all fabric will get? Cotton, lycra,
Yeah, cotton,
Linen.
twill, linen, all kinds of fabrics.
denim. Wow, this is superb.
This is RFD.
Amazing. This in this how many colors?
In this we have 6 colors.
6 colors you will get.
Yeah.
Okay. Then next.
Then we've got some designer shirts as well.
Okay. But very nice collections of kid shirts. You can just have a look. Superb.
Check the detailing in this
Very
shirt.
nice. Yeah. Looks amazing.
This one.
Lot of colors. If you're looking for printed, designer, plain, all types of kid shirts you'll get here. Minimum, as I told, 10k online. Here, if you come set
This
wise,
is a reflector article.
nice.
So this is a kids cord set.
Okay.
Shirt with shorts.
Okay. Size what we'll get?
Size 20 to 30.
And what age to what age for kids?
It'll come from 2 years to 10 years.
2 years to 10 years.
Right.
And your shirts is also from 2 years to 10 years.
Yeah. Then 12 to 16 years is another size group.
Okay.
This is shirt to pant.
Any starting price in this? Just starting price?
This is 225.
225. Okay.
I'll show you the cord set for men's.
Okay.
This is men's cord set.
Size what we'll get?
You'll get M to double XL sizes in this.
Okay. And in men's,
You have another this thing in men's.
full.
Shirt with pant, yeah. Full.
Complete. Okay. In this size?
This is same size, ML XL, double XL.
Okay.
This is called loungewear.
Loungewear. In this, any starting price? Just starting price?
This starts from 325 for men's.
325. Okay.
Yeah.
Before wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having superb collections of men's and kids shirts and cord set. Will highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll become the regular customer. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.